What if the most powerful AI model on the planet got pulled offline the moment it launched? And what if it just quietly came back this week? Most people miss the entire story, but the top builders are already using it again. And if you blink, you're gonna be the last one to find out. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course. Link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So let's get into the story because it's actually kind of wild. Back on June 9th, Anthropic launched a brand new model called Fable 5. It was their most capable model ever released to the public. Huge deal. People were excited about it. Then just 3 days later, on June 12th, it vanished. Access got shut off for everyone, completely. Why did that happen? The US government stepped in with export controls, and those are rules about who around the world is allowed to use certain powerful AI technology. The rule hit right away, and there was no fast way to check every single user, so Anthropic pulled the model for all users while they sorted the whole thing out. For about 2.5 weeks, Fable 5 was just gone. Then on June 30th, those export controls got lifted, and on July 1st, Fable 5 came back. Live again for everyone on the web, on mobile, include code, and include cowork. That's where things stand right now. It's back, and this time it came back with stronger safety checks built into it. Now, let's actually talk about why this matters, because the drama is one thing, but the model itself is the real story here. Anthropic has different tiers of models, and for a long time, Opus was the top one. Fable 5 sits in a brand new tier above that called Mythos class. Think of it as a level up from the strongest model most people had access to before. Under the hood, Fable 5 shares the same core model as another one called Mythos 5, but the difference is Fable 5 ships with extra safety guardrails, so it's safe to hand out to the general public. Same core model, just more seatbelts on it. And here's the headline. Fable 5 is state of the art on nearly every test they've thrown at it. Coding, knowledge work, vision, research, all of it. And here's the part that actually matters most. The longer and harder the task, the further ahead it pulls. A small task, it's fine, it's good, but a massive, messy, multi-step task, that's where it really leaves the older models behind. Let me make that real for you. In coding, one company reported that Fable 5 compressed months of engineering work into just days. In one case, it took a giant codebase, we're talking 50 million lines, and did a full update across all of it in a single day. A job like that would normally take a whole team over 2 months by hand. On one of the hardest coding tests out there, it scored the highest of any leading model, and it did it using fewer tokens, which just means it gets more done without rambling on. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Then there's vision, and this one is genuinely impressive. Fable 5 can look at a screenshot of a web app and rebuild the actual working code behind it, just from the picture. It can pull exact numbers straight out of detailed charts. It even beat a Pokemon game start to finish using nothing but raw screenshots, no special helper tools involved. Older models needed a whole support system built around them just to play something like that. This one just looked at the screen and played. It's also got a much better memory for long jobs now. It can stay locked in across millions of words of context, take its own notes along the way, and use those notes to actually get better as it goes. When they tested it on a hard strategy game with memory turned on, it performed 3 times better than the older top model. And it's not just for coders either. Fable 5 is really strong at knowledge work too. It can take a big pile of messy notes and turn them into a clean, finished plan you can actually use. It can read long documents, pull out what actually matters, and hand you back a summary that makes real sense. Anthropic said apps that used to take 100 back and forth prompts a year ago, this model now builds in one shot. Now, before you go try this yourself, a couple of things worth knowing. It's built with safety checks, and on certain sensitive topics like cybersecurity, it quietly passes your request over to another Claude model called Opus 4.8. It tells you when that happens, so it's not a bug. That's the guardrails doing their job. And there's reportedly a promo window running right now from July 1st through July 7th, where paid plan users can use Fable 5 as part of their normal usage at no extra cost, up to about half their weekly limit. After that, you'd need credits or switch models. So if that's accurate, this week would be the time to actually go test it out. On the big public leaderboards for coding and for vision, Fable 5 isn't just competing, it's sitting right at the top. It's reportedly the highest scoring model on more than one serious coding benchmark, and it set a new bar for vision tasks. Those aren't just marketing lines, those are actual test results that got published. And here's the thing I really want you to take away from this. There's a new AI tool coming out almost every single day right now. New models, new apps, new updates. It genuinely never stops. Most of it, honestly, is just noise. So the real skill right now isn't chasing every shiny new release. It's knowing which few tools are actually worth your time and then getting good enough at them that they save you real hours every single week. That's really why a model like Fable 5 is worth paying attention to. Not because it's new, but because it's the kind of tool that changes what one person can build completely on their own. The stuff that used to need a whole team behind it, a page, a tool, a rebuild, a long research job, you can now hand that to one model and get it back the same day. That's the whole point of it. It's not about the hype, it's about what you can actually get done in an afternoon that used to take a month, and that's exactly why this one is worth caring about. And honestly, the bigger story here isn't even the model itself, it's how fast things are moving around it. A model gets released, pulled offline within days over government export rules, sits gone for 2.5 weeks, then comes back with tighter safety controls attached, all inside about 3 weeks. That's the pace the AI industry is running at right now, and if you're not paying attention, you genuinely miss entire chapters of the story. That's really the gap that's forming. It's not between people who have access to these tools and people who don't. It's between people who actually keep up with what's happening and people who find out about it 2 months late, once everyone else has already moved on to the next thing. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.